What's going on, everybody? Back at it, another video. Today I am gonna be kicking it with these two.
What's up?
And we are going on a helicopter. We're gonna be dangling our feet off of outside of the helicopter and getting cool pictures. These guys from Fly On Vegas. Fly On Vegas wants me to bust out a little discount code and wear a couple pairs of shoes out the side. So I'm taking all these shoes to get some crazy pictures and show these guys the strip at night. And hopefully we get some good quality pictures. So I'm gonna set up for this, figure out which one I start with. I think I'm gonna start with the Prestos. These are okay. They're pretty dope. Figured moon clouds since we're gonna be up in the sky. Some Miami Ultra Boosts and some pink human races.
It's coming around the corner, right? And Fly On is this brand new millennial helicopter company. It's not like your grandfather's helicopter where you like go across the strip and you see the Grand Canyon. It's different. JC's flown, he knows it's different. What's different about our helicopter is that there's no doors. So when you're sitting in the helicopter, your legs are hanging out the chopper, right? So what they've coined is the shoe selfie, right? It started in New York by the CEO, his name's Pat Day. So when Jay told me SneakerCon's coming to Vegas, and we got this helicopter that coined the term, shoe selfie, it's like, we got to get the God involved, right? So, I mean, Jay's here, he got the bag with him, and we got you guys, and we're about to go have a flight, go have some fun.
It's not going to be cold, right?
It's
Okay.
Nice, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Nice. So go ahead and just leave your jacket right here.
Into that seat.
Go ahead. Hop up. Oh no, the other one. Give me one more by your right side.
It was dope. It wasn't where we normally turn.
Amazing. Amazing. Oh, still look.
No, you aren't.
Nah,
I think I might be.
yeah, I'm still
You can't go anywhere. We're not gonna let you. Are you still? You guys enjoy it?
Oh, that was so cool.
Awesome.
Thank you so
Good
much.
job.
I had a great time. Thank you so much.
I love those turns. Right now your hair's longer.
So what do they call you?
Marv.
From Home Alone.
From Home Alone.
Wow. That is a great. That is a great comparison.
Yeah, that was the last time,
Yeah,
bro.
I think that's why people were
I'm
getting
gonna
tattoos
the
last
next
time.
picture. The next picture I post of you and me, I'm gonna Photoshop Marv's face over it.
And we'll see if,
And
if
see
anybody
if,
notices.
If anybody notices.
Yeah, I might not even notice.
So, what did you guys think of the Fly On Vegas?
That was sick.
That was
It
an
was
amazing
sick.
experience.
Yeah.
Was it scary?
Had his moments.
I was
definitely.
nervous at first, but then once I was in there, I was like,
Yeah.
so
yeah.
like I was like, can we take this harness off? Because I'm ready to like hang off the
I mean, this is the second time that I've gone. I'm glad you guys got the opportunity to go. I
Oh my
think that
God,
was
yes,
awesome.
Fred, thank you so much.
Yeah,
for
no,
bringing
don't
us.
thank
It
those
was
guys.
amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you
Yeah.
guys.
But this was the first time I was given the opportunity to go at night, and it's a huge difference aesthetically. Like, stuff looks a lot nicer, obviously, because the city's lit up.
Yeah.
Definitely.
It was unique. I was given the opportunity to bring a bunch of shoes up there, which I don't recommend.
Don't do that.
And I don't think it's a request. It is promotional stuff that I'm doing for them, but great pictures. It's definitely something that I strongly recommend that you guys do. I said it last time. Hopefully this video motivates you to do it this time,
you
right?
should.
And I know that they just changed their pricing. It's a lot less now than it used to be. I think it's like half of what it used to be.
Nice.
Right? And for you watching, if you want to go, they have, you could do it in Miami, New York, San Fran, LA, and Vegas, right?
Yeah.
It's
we're
fly.
gonna try to catch him.
Yeah, we're gonna try to catch them out there.
So use my discount code, because your boy got a discount code, $25
Okay.
off
The
every
plug,
person.
The plug
It's
always.
the UN, all one word. So make sure to follow them on IG. It's Fly Nyan, FLYNYON, or Fly Nyan Vegas. And I'm glad again that you guys got the chance.
I was so sick.
Yeah.
Coolest shoe selfie I've ever taken.
Yeah, by far.
Ever.
Yeah,
Like,
for real.
the lights.
And when the thing tilted sideways,
Did you feel like you were gonna slide out of the plane?
I did.
A
honestly
little.
feel that way.
I thought I almost lost a shoe.
No, you didn't.
I saw that
I
too,
almost
man.
lost the
'Cause them
shoe.
things was moving around.
They were
and we
moving
was
around,
tilting.
and
But you let those people know quick. You were like, this shoe was $5 grand.
Yeah.
This shoe was 10 grand.
Yeah.
Like, y'all are gonna watch my shoes. And
yeah, no, but they did a great
They
job.
did an amazing job.
The
They did an
pictures that
amazing
they
job.
took also was insane. I'm just glad again, that we were given the opportunity. So Fly Nyan Vegas, thank you.
You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing.
And for you guys watching, just SneakerCon Vegas is coming up. I think this weekend, I'm probably gonna put this video out like Wednesday, Thursday-ish, which puts us, today's the 29th, so
Yep, 2
that's, that's
The first, no?
the 1st or the 2nd. I'm gonna put this video out like November 2nd-ish. Now I'm gonna have to because I said November 2nd. But November 2nd, November 3rd, you'll see this video. I'm gonna be going to Complex Con with Joni. Hopefully I can hit some raffles on some crazy shoes or pick up some crazy shoes there. I bought a pair of those Pharrell the Complex Con exclusives. Hopefully they get here in time. Maybe I should wear those
You should wear
to
them
Complex
there.
Con for the ultimate mindfuck. To be like, yo, but that might disqualify me for another pair.
You think so?
It might. They'd be like, nah, he already has one.
But you say that for someone else. Could you say that?
I could say that for my alter ego.
Yeah.
The guy without the beard and the dreads.
It's for my other personality.
Yeah.
I can like.
Yeah, it's for my other personality. Anyways, but no, Complex Con is this weekend. And the weekend after that, it's SneakerCon Vegas. I'm going to be showcasing all my shoes, maybe. I still haven't logistically figured that out.
That's a lot
But
of shoes.
Yeah,
it's a
I
lot
don't
of
know how you bring
shoes.
those there.
Um,
It's a lot of shoes.
A lot of you guys are going to be coming down to Vegas, so that's a great time to hit up Fly Nyan Vegas and use this the UN discount code and just get up here. They do flights during the day and at night on Vegas Strip, and they also do the Grand Canyon, which I'm going on Wednesday. I haven't told Joni yet. She's kind of mad at me because she didn't get to go tonight, but I'm making it up to her and taking her to the Grand Canyon.
And I think that's going to be
Canyon's
even
dope.
better. The Grand
Yeah.
Canyon's amazing.
Yeah, so as always, I appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Adios.
See you.